With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world, while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed amazingly, right now controlling the atom cryptographic money trades. Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with delicate Mint Center and its remarkable Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure, having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Cosmos digital money can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom tokens, which is very huge. Before we start with the genuine Cosmos cost forecast, how about we actually look at the itemized outline of the coin? Cosmos, the secret decoded, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cosmos is portrayed as blockchain 3.0, in spite of mainstream thinking. The environment, not just elements, in every way that really matters. Brilliant agreement usefulness, yet additionally in a real sense offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any mediators included. The Cosmos environment additionally contains Cosmos Center Point, or so they thought. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Cosmos Network generally utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine shortcoming open-minded agreement model to approve exchanges. Cosmos is a token on the Cosmos Center. Atom tokens sort of are utilized for security purposes, which most certainly is very huge. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and key focal point of Cosmos is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as use Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges, like monetary administrations, applications, and games, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Cosmos, verifiable information and specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. Instability fundamentally is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos also. In December 2019, Cosmos began its continuous, however sort of consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and a bull run in WAC 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. Cosmos has beaten a record gain according to crypto gauges by accomplishing a cost of Cosmos to $15.15. Starting the year on a really sure note for exchanging. The help level is $14.14, and the obstruction level is $16.50 amazingly. In light of our cost expectations in Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment isn't normal at Cosmos value. The guess for 2023 explicitly is $1.05 in view of the kind of current developments, which certainly is very critical, as indicated by our Cosmos estimate and specialized investigation. The atom could exchange around $32.47 toward the finish of 2023 and $53.81 by 2025. In view of the genuinely current cost and our atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos cost explicitly has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year, in spite of prevalent thinking. Our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins incredibly. Future atom cost most certainly is anticipated at $40.11 following a year as indicated by our cost figure, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Cosmos cost is estimated to reach $30.12 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal really greatest cost is $37.65. Lease cost $25.60. In view of our atom value forecast and cost examination, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could in a real sense cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per news in our atom cost forecast, a great deal of atom projections fundamentally are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished, subsequently. By and large around bullish value expectations of crossing an unsurpassed certainly high of cryptographic money cost $49.27, setting out additional open doors to exchange. For the most part purchase Cosmos, making it a productive speculation. With any progressions engulfed, arrangements and guidelines, the atom cost might have its portion of murky days. On the off chance that atom's cost holds the help at $8.44 immovably, purchasers will have adequate opportunity to offer Cosmos to acquire benefit and solidness. In the principal a portion of, the cost could in a real sense be $30. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of atom may be around $33. Cosmos value expectation 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to purchase or for the most part sell atom. beginning with at least $30 in the by and large long haul. It might cross $38.25, or so they thought. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. Atom, however, dove yet in view of forecasts and obstruction level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the critical expansion in the quantity of Atom coins kept into the agreement. In the main, a portion of the cost could generally be $42.25 in an unobtrusive manner. Cosmos cost is set to give genuinely encouraging indications of arriving at a pinnacle of $53.05 toward the finish of 2025. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to 1 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from an energy-escalated system. As per Cosmos cost expectations, in the primary portion of the year 2026, the cost could for the most part reach $65.70. Cosmos Value Expectation 2027. Cosmos Cost Expectations. The Atom will shoot up and arrive at a Cosmos cost of $73.50, in the long run possibly scaling even to an incredible $1 trillion market cap because of the ascent popular for DeFi resources in the truly next 5 years to drop by merchants. Cosmos Value Forecast 2028. As per Atom forecast, with different organizations and joint efforts in local areas subsidizing the digital currency market, glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $95.01, which basically is very hopeful yet most likely plausible toward 2028 in the drawn-out sense. Cosmos Value Forecast 2029. As per our Atom cost forecasts, the cost is set to outperform assumptions in the impending years. By 2029, the Cosmos cost will penetrate the sign of $110 in spite of mainstream thinking. While the by and large least and normal costs may generally be around $90 and $100 individually, or so they thought. Cosmos Value Expectation 2030, which is very huge. The blockchain network is really famous, with various tasks based on it. Given the progressions especially are kept up with, we can see the cost of Atom reach $130, making it an unequaled high in 2030. Simultaneously, the base cost for the year might be $115. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain importance? On the lookout. Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals as in aforementioned expectations. Cosmos has endured everyday hardship and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to purchase and for exchanging. Might Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? For sure, Atom could demonstrate to truly be an entirely important and supportable type of revenue. Gave you plan every one of your speculations shrewdly and decisively, which is genuinely huge. There is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting certainly rich rapidly. However, putting resources into Atom could in a real sense demonstrate beneficial. Is Cosmos a contender to Ethereum? Incredibly. No, Cosmos embraces Ethereum and makes spans between the two environments. Especially is Cosmos a wise venture. Indeed, as per Atom cost expectation in its previous history, the coin could cross the $30 cost mark this year and be a wise venture choice, or so they in a real sense thought. It is something beyond an extension among blockchains, and its functionalities make it a decent choice on the lookout. What in a real sense is the eventual fate of the Atom coin?